Hey guys, so today I decided to get the Timemore Blackmirror. Been eyeballing this for a long time and I really want to get a scale with a timer on it as my current one does not have a timer. Let's see how it is. Alright, so right in the box, some paperwork. I think this is a cushion for the timer itself and the timer. Let's see. Okay, so here it is. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's just a all black. This is supposed to feel a bit like the IKEA, but obviously, not at the premium price. Full disclaimer, guys, I did purchase the white version of this unit. Here, let me show it to you guys. I didn't like it because one of the biggest thing is that the number on the display is very vague. It's super hard to see. So I got another one, but now in black. But let me just show it to you guys before I return this. I don't know if you guys can tell in the video. There's a huge difference in terms of being able to see the number on the white versus the black. The white is almost transparent. I can't read it at all. On the black, it's I think even on the camera, I should be able to see that this is a lot clearer. Did try the white one out last time, so I expect the black one to perform just the same. It was very quick in terms of getting a reading, and I don't need to stop as early. So usually when I, let's say, brew to a 36 gram espresso, I don't need to stop at 30. I could probably stop at around 33, 34, and it will land on 36 versus my old unit. I have to stop at 30 and it will slowly crawl up to about a 36. I did also want to try this cheaper unit. This one is, it just says brew coffee scale, whatever this is. I don't know. It's a digital scale with timer. I'll leave the actual name in here, hopefully. And this one, I've never seen anybody use this one before. It looks interesting. It does also have a timer on it. This is only $11. I figured this footprint probably fits on my espresso machine a little bit better. So this is, everything that came in the box. Just some batteries, some paperwork. Nobody's interested in that. Let me just pop my old battery in here. Oh, so it's okay. So you guys can see it. It's backlit, which is good. This is pretty cool. You're supposed to be able to just pop this piece off. Right, you're supposed to pop this piece off. It kind of acts as a little tray. I mean, it feels nice. Yeah, surprisingly, this feels nice when compared to something like this, which fits very well underneath the espresso machine. I expect this one to as well. For $10, this actually feels a lot better than what I expected for something that's $10. All right, anyway, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick unboxing of these two scales. I am going to try this over the next several days, and hopefully I can give you guys a better video on what I think works better in terms of between these two. But right off the bat, if you are looking for a Timemore Blackmirror, get the black one. The white one, the display is just horrible. Get the black one. And also, if you're looking for something really cheap that also have a timer, this one is great. Actually, out of these two, this one surprised me a lot in terms of first impression. I thought it was gonna be super cheap, super flimsy, but this actually have a nice soft finish to it. The display is nice and big. It's got a timer. I don't know. When you're comparing $10 to $65, $70 to a lot of people, this might actually be the better option. But again, I will test them out for a couple days and I'll let you know if if one definitely is worth the money. Tell you which one I decide to keep. Anyways, hope you guys like this video. This is a little bit different than what I normally do. Going forward, I will share unboxing like this for those of you who are interested, can take a look. All right, anyways, I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.